Hello, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I recreate and share authentic Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm going to share how to cook Moo Shu Pork, another easy to spot recipe in Chinese restaurants. The famous dish is originated from the northern region of China. It contains egg, which carries the yellow color similar to the blossoms of the Osmanthus tree, after which the dish is named. By the way, if you are curious about how to cook wood ear mushroom, another primary ingredient of the recipe, I hope the instructions in the video can help too. Before get started, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Now, introducing the first ingredient, the wood ear mushroom or black fungus. I'm using the dried wood ear. For your reference, I'm sharing the Amazon link in the description of the video. To prepare for the mushroom, you can soak it in cold water for about an hour. Otherwise, you can soak it in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Or like I do, soak it in cold water and microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Then leave the mushroom in the hot water for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the rest of the ingredients. Crack and whisk 4 eggs. For the pork, pick a part with some amount of fat, as we will not tenderize the pork. Lean meat like the tenderloin will taste very dry, so please avoid it. Slice the pork to about 3 to 4 millimeter thin. And then shred it into 2 to 3 millimeter. Then slice the asparagus into similar size. By the way, typically the recipe calls for cucumber or spinach. As I have neither in my refrigerator, I decided to be creative and try asparagus. It turned out pretty delicious as well. Next step, that's scallion and minced ginger root. Set aside for use later. I also decided to add some carrot shred just for color. At this point, the mushroom is fully rejuvenated. Thoroughly rinse it. Make sure to clean every wrinkle of the mushroom, otherwise it could be sandy. In a heated pan, add about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, high heat, stir-fry the egg. For this dish, it is better to have the eggs well cooked, so let it sit for a while before stirring. Then break the eggs apart. Keep stirring until the eggs turn golden. Take out. With the leftover oil, we will stir fry the veggies until they get soft. Spray some salt. Take it out. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil. Stir fry the ginger and scallion. Then add the pork. Stir fry until the pork turns white. Spray some ground black pepper for taste. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Smells so good already. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, about 1½ teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Stir fry a few more times. Add the eggs and wood ear mushroom. Stir fry. Add some salt if preferred. Drop the heat to low. Let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Then mix in the vegetables. Keep stirring. Add some oyster sauce. Mix well. Turn off the heat. Drip some sesame oil. Mix a few more times. Time to serve. This is a very tasty dish with well-balanced nutrition. Granted, the preparation takes a bit of effort. Overall, it is an easy recipe. Well, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you around.